falling. It is? Yes. Hey, my gators. So today is day 2. Y'all see the scrubs. Y'all see the scrubs. Y'all know what's happening. So, y'all remember this is what it was looking like in here. And so what we're doing today is we're going to move this table out of here and bring that table that I talked to you guys about that's in the garage in here. And 2 chairs. I don't know if I want to keep the chairs to the table, but I do know I want to bring the table in at least and just see what these chairs look like, and the 2 big high back chairs that I want. I know they're going to probably need to be cleaned, so I'm probably going to have to put them on the deck, wipe them down real good, and then bring them in so I can see. I'm sorry for all the popping and all that mess, because I hate when people do that. But yeah, and see how it looks when they come in. But yeah, this table is just too small. It's only 54 inches, and that table I think extends to 94 or 90 or 80 something. We'll see. Let's go get it. All right, Naya is gonna help me, so we're getting ready to get this project started. And I'm trying to do this before the holidays, while I have help, because she's going back to New York to be with her granny for a little while. So yeah, let's get this table in here. So just watch us. First thing first, let me throw this trash out. I'm about to get in the garage, and it feels pretty good out here. Let me cut my deck lights off. Is get in here and get to the other side and pull this garage up so we can get that table out. Let me get my tripod. Excuse my nails, missing nails, y'all. I'm missing nails. All right, tripod. Yeah. All right. So we're going to come in on this side. It's gonna walk, but Lord, there's so much I gotta get rid of. So this is the actual table that I'm taking out. So I'm gonna take this out while I'm waiting for her to get herself together. Yeah, I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna take that table out. Hopefully y'all see me. Let's see. Hey my gators, for all of the new gators, I am a mom of 3 girls, and this is my middle daughter. She just turned 22. She is a spark in my life, and I love when she comes around. We get so many things done. She helps her mom out in so many ways, and if you hear any noises or see any silly things, we have fun, and she just enjoys life and embraces every moment of life, and I love that about her. She cares less what people think, and that is how I think we all should live our life, long as we're not hurting or harming anyone. And that's kind of where she is. So if you see anything in this video and she's being silly, that's her nature, and that's how she is almost 24/7. So I just wanted to put that out there. Enjoy the video. Talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. Later, y'all. So big. Get it where they can see. Push the camera back where they can see us with you. Not the trash can though, because I don't want nobody seeing them good. Okay. Okay. Stop! Oh, come on. It's just so hard being this big. I can't shoot. Okay, stop. It's just two of them, but they big. They like, is they over? No, those are chairs. I think they're down in this mess, if I'm not mistaken. No, they over here. They not back there. They in here somewhere.
Oh, I see them.
You see them? Where? They behind what? Oh, I can't wait to get this garage together.
Those them, right?
Yep. Yep. Oh no, no, that's the.
No, mommy.
These are the. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. This is what I was looking for. How many does it let you do? 1,
Game, I guess.
3, 4, 5.
What is these?
Oh, that's to the smoker. Yeah, these are the extensions to make the table longer.
Somewhere you can.
Okay. Let's move them. I got some. Jeez. Okay. I'm gonna set these right here for right now. These are the chairs, but I don't know why that popped up. Like something I could probably tuck back in. I ain't worried about it. I can always fix that. But these chairs are nice. Can you get them, babe? Mm-hmm. Those are 2 extension pieces. These, I love the feet. They're so different. See, this stuff got me wiped off. Look at those. Net. So now we about to go inside and open the garage door. It's some work. We gonna get it. See, it's a lot of dead space in here. But empty space. This stuff is not packed in here, right? Okay. Okay, hold on. So, I know I had brushed it and did as much as I can. We were just in a couple weeks ago, so it's not accurate. 1, 2.
Oh yeah.
Did he put something in it? I don't think I did. I know. Wait, let's try again. Did he put something in it? Because I don't remember him doing that. We just kind of weak a little bit. It feels like something is stopping us, right?
Yeah, do it again.
Stay right here. Stay right here. I'm gonna come. I don't want you to see everything out there. So I'm going to. Come here. So the purpose of opening this is so we can take the table that's currently inside the dining room and bring it out. So we're trying to make space so that we can put it right here in the front. So when it sells, it'll be easy to access. So we're going to prevent going all the way around, we're going to try to bring that table. Hopefully it could get through sideways out this door. Let's see. I will say this, guys, when we are speeding up these videos, it seems like, you know, you're seeing it and not realizing that this is a lot of work. We pulled a lot of stuff out. We rearranged a lot of stuff. We took a lot of boxes out. Like, this day was a very exhausting day, but I feel like we got a lot of things organized in the garage, and I cannot wait for, well, I can wait. I gotta stop saying that. I'm so anticipating the warm weather so I can pull all this stuff out and organize my garage and have a side for things I'm keeping, getting rid of, donating, and things that I want to sell. I'm so excited to do that and get this place nice and organized, because every time I go in here it kind of gives me anxiety because things are everywhere. Even for the holidays when we decorate it, I am missing so many boxes. I'm missing pillows and different things that I know that I've had over the years that I look forward to decorating with for Christmas, but I couldn't find them. And I said, you know what, let me woosah. Let's realize this is a process and things are not going to happen overnight, and this is still a renovation, a fixer-upper, and I'm still doing lots of things. I got rid of so many windows. I got rid of so many different pieces of wood, some chairs and all that during this process. And I set them out on the side of the road and somebody picked them up that same night. So that was a blessing. So yeah, continue watching us get this thing together because I want my dining room to be more organized. Look at all those boxes right next to the table. Those are nothing but several boxes of towels that I got secondhand that I know I'm not going to use all of, so those will be posted or either they will be sold in a future yard sale. Continue watching later, guys. Listen, watch out. We look, your shirt is, we look a mess. So when I'm telling you, it's a whole bunch of empty space in here and stuff is just piled just randomly. Once I really get in here and get stuff out that I don't need, I can really start organizing. But I feel a little better to ride through some more months until I get rid of some of this big stuff. But these are the chairs that I got for $40 a piece. I showed these to y'all before, and yeah, they're gonna get cleaned up. I like these chairs. I think that they will be nice at the head of the table on each side. I'm just gonna redo them. I don't know if I'm gonna stain them or just strip them and make them light and then put new fabric on the bottom. The bottom probably just need to be wiped off. I think more so, because that's leather. I think more so, yeah, I can disinfect the bottom, but this, I'm gonna redo the top. All right, I got what I needed. Let's at least get that table wiped down and in there, see how that looks. And that'll be it for today. This is the process, but I hope you guys are enjoying it with me. All right, so we gotta close this. All right, we're gonna close it from the inside or out. All right, so into the house. You can put that over there. Had to get rid of stuff, y'all. Them hoarder tendencies, but no, I came from a house that was 3,700 square feet down to a house that's 15, a little less than 15. So I had to get rid of a lot of stuff. So here is what I was looking for. I was just saying, where is my holiday thing? And then I got water bottles that you could put on your back when you hiking and stuff. I got 2 of those. These are the baskets that I was looking for. More scrubs. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna leave this in the laundry room until I get to it. I'm about to get some rags and clean this really good before I even bring it in the house. And then y'all see at least me getting it wiped down and bringing it into the house. Box that she found with kitchen. It said kitchen, but it's not like kitchen stuff. Oh, it is. Lie. This is the stuff I thought. This is your stuff, Naya. That's not mine. Okay, well, she could take it with her. All right. Okay, let me wash my hands. Ooh. Okay, this is the empty space. I'm about to vacuum over it and then do a little mop to it. So this could be prepared to let the table in. So, yeah. Woo. Lord. I have to like 6 years, maybe. Now, for those of you who know quality furniture, do you guys remember when I shared how this man blessed me with this table that is 87 inches and it has 4 chairs, and literally I paid $19 for this. I drove about an hour to go get it. My scrubs are too big and I don't care. I use them because I don't mind them getting dirty and getting paint on them. But I drove an hour to get this, but you guys can tell the quality and the way it's made. When I tell you those legs are heavy, this bad boy will last several years to come. And I love it because it's not a style that is a trendy style or a particular style that will go out. I always tell people, get what you like and like what you get, because when you do, you don't have to keep changing. And it's not about trends. It's not about what's in. It's about what makes you happy and what you like. And guys, this for $19, stuff like this make me happy, make me so happy, and brings more joy to my life to know that it's within my budget, and also it will last a long time. So yeah, I was excited to get this in the dining room and excited to share that with you, just to let you know, go and check that secondhand stuff out. So now we're putting the leaves in because I wanted it to be long. My table at my old house that I created was a custom table that was 90 inches long. This one is a little bit shorter, but it is perfect for this room. So yeah, continue watching. Later, get it. Oh, I'm gonna have to wash something. Okay, so this is what I have. We're about to put all the chairs around it and see what it looks like. I don't know, I don't know. I like my chairs, but I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Remember, this was a $19 solid wood table. The table ain't going nowhere. Trust that. They ain't going nowhere. Promise. She putting those around. I'm gonna have to disinfect the bottom of this tripod. All right, so this is, how long is this? She don't know how to measure, y'all. Let's see how long she say this is, because she been giving me numbers all over the place. Another nail popped off. Oh well, it's time. These been on for over 2 weeks now, because I did these just before, 2 days before Vlogtober. And it's, today is the 19th. 6.5 feet. Girl, you ain't even got it to the... Okay, so this is 86 inches with that, so you could, because that's what it says. Tell me, how did you get that? And how wide is this? And I'm not sure if I want to put the chairs in here or leave these chairs. That is not how you measure. It is not no 5 feet. 40, about 39.5 inches wide. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm working with. I'm glad I got it in. That circle was 2. Tell me, I want to see what I'm working. Why? Tell me, I'm thick. I'm gonna need you to get your life together. Why is you in the camera? Get out my camera. Get. I think I like it. I actually think I like my chairs too. I don't know if I want to put the big chairs in. I don't know. I ain't gonna tell y'all. Let me have a little seat real quick, because my brain is, let me show y'all from this angle. My brain is, I don't know. Technically, I could get 3 chairs on each side, but I don't want to do all that. I think I can just bring more in for the holidays, but I do believe in having a head and foot of a table. So can you close that? And actually, you could keep it open to get some fresh air, but close the curtains and stuff. A work in progress. I still got to fan this and strip it, and because I want it to be like even more of a natural color. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, my $19 solid wood table, loving it. And I love the grain of it. So once I strip it, that's gonna be even prettier. So stay tuned for more videos. All right, and more homemaking videos, silent homemaking videos. If you like those, talk to me in the comments about those as well. I'm about to take a shower. That was the project for today. Are we painting that wall? Oh no, we're doing that we about to move the TV. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move the TV and our wall, or no?